Hi, and welcome to Analytics for All. This is a site for education and everything analytics. Today we're going to look at Microsoft Excel and ranges and how you can use name ranges to make some of your Excel documents a lot easier to operate within. Okay, so I'm going to bring up a really simple one I've got here, which has some income and expenses for the day. Now, I know this is really simple, not too hard to make a form. If you want to make a formula to balance it out, you would just go, say there, minus, say the sum of all these, and we're done. Okay, now let's say this was in real world where these pages and these sites can become just ridiculously big. So one thing you can do is you can actually name these ranges where it makes it easier to find stuff. So here I'm going on the site and you see it's called B2. I can change that income. Hit enter and there it is. And here I can go to here and I can change this and I can name this expenses. All right, so when I come down here later, if this is some massive sheet, even if it's like across multiple sheets, I can come back really fast. And I don't have to remember exactly where it was in there. There's income minus sum of expenses. And there we go. Same thing. Not for use in a simple example like that, but when you have a big, large, complex sheet, naming your ranges can become very handy. And as you can look down here, you can just see there's the ranges listed below. So, all right. Well, thank you for visiting, and I hope you come back and check out more of our videos.